Setting up a recruiting funnel on Top Echelon can significantly streamline your hiring process, and in this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to do it efficiently, even if you're new to the software. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up a system that helps you find, engage, and hire top talent. But before we dive into the details, don't forget that you can try Top Echelon completely for free through the first link below. With our exclusive bonuses, you'll be able to start setting up your funnel and exploring all the features without any cost. Now let's talk about the funnel. Top Echelon is a powerful recruiting platform that simplifies the entire process, from finding candidates to managing your network. Setting up a recruiting funnel ensures that your process is smooth and that you're getting the right candidates every time. The first step is to create a new funnel. Go to your Top Echelon dashboard and find the Funnel tab. Click to create a new funnel and you'll be asked to name it. It's essential to give your funnel a specific name based on the role or the job category you're hiring for. This keeps your workflow organized and ensures you don't get mixed up with multiple funnels. Once the funnel is created, you'll need to set up the stages. Top Echelon allows you to create custom stages for your hiring process. You might want stages like initial contact, interview scheduled, or offer extended. These stages help you track where each candidate is in the hiring process and stay organized. Next, you'll set up filters to identify the right candidates. Top Echelon gives you powerful filtering options, such as location, job experience, or specific skills. These filters help you target only the candidates who meet your requirements, saving you a lot of time in the long run. Now, it's time to integrate your job postings with the funnel. If you have an active job listing, you can connect it directly to your recruiting funnel. This integration pulls candidate submissions directly into your funnel, which eliminates the need for manual data entry. Once your funnel is set up, you can start tracking your candidates. Top Echelon offers a candidate tracking system where you can see each applicant's progress through the funnel. Whether they're in the interview phase or just getting started, you can monitor their journey and move them through the funnel based on where they are. A key feature is communication. You can directly message candidates from within the software, which keeps all communication in one place. This is critical for staying organized, especially if you're managing a large volume of candidates. Also, don't forget the automated alerts. Set these up so that you're notified when a candidate moves to a new stage. This ensures you never miss a step and can quickly follow up on candidates without wasting time. Another advanced feature is the collaboration options. If you're working in a team, Top Echelon lets you collaborate on candidates. You can leave notes, share insights, and even rate candidates to help make team decisions easier. Once your funnel is running smoothly, it's time to analyze the data. Top Echelon provides detailed reports that show you how well your funnel is performing, how long candidates are staying in each stage, and where you might need to adjust your process. This is vital for continuous improvement. If you're new to Top Echelon, don't worry. Take your time exploring. With the funnel system, you'll quickly understand how it makes recruiting more efficient. Remember, if you're ready to get started with Top Echelon, click the link below for an exclusive free trial. By using Top Echelon, you're optimizing your recruitment efforts and ensuring that you find the best candidates for your company. The recruiting funnel not only organizes the process but also gives you better visibility into each step, making your recruiting efforts far more effective. And as I mentioned earlier, don't forget about the exclusive extended free trial, which you can claim through the link below. It's a perfect opportunity to dive deep into the software and explore everything Top Echelon has to offer.